Okay, last time we learned how to use the SQL, the MySQL through the Pythons. Today we are going to build a kind of manager here. So use the line edit. I'm gonna need 4. So today we are going to just build a GUI for database managers. So, and then here the label, and I'm gonna need buttons. Need 3, one more, maybe not. Okay, and then table widgets I'm going to use to display the database. There you go. And yeah, I'm gonna need the button again. And here we're going to name the label ID, first name, and last name, and last one is email address. This is add, delete, and update. And this is going to be loading the data. And here column add like ID, first name, last, and I guess email. There we go. Let's do create. I'm gonna name the properties. Identity, name. Since we've been through a lot of GUI building like lectures before, I'm not going to read out how to name or how to build such things. Oops, I think I forgot. Yeah, this is supposed to be the last name. And then I already told you guys how important it is to name each property's name correctly to program it later, right? So here this is going to be load. Then I'm gonna create the layout. And then this horizontal layout and vertical. Then we're gonna combine them. Alright, and then layout in a grid. Okay, we completed the GUI, so now save it to your specific destination on the folder, the computer, to use it later. Here, let me create a folder here. DB GUI. Okay, and we need to create the Python file. So just go to the CMD, to create the Python file, and then find your script folder of Python. So I saved here. So just change direction to script folder. We're going to use PyUIC. PyUIC 5-X, then oops, Then just drag your UI file into the CMD, and then -O, and just change the extension to pi. So now you'll see the Python file created on your folder. Alright, on next video we're going to actually implement functions. So please let me know if you guys have any other questions, and I'll try to answer my best. Alright, thank you.